Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to set mobile data uses to Wi-Fi only on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. Here you will see the app settings option. Tap on it. In the download section, you can see the Wi-Fi only option. To ensure Netflix uses only Wi-Fi for data, simply tap on the toggle switch next to the Wi-Fi only option to turn it on. This will prevent Netflix from using your mobile data for streaming or downloading content. And that's it. This is how you can set mobile data usage to Wi-Fi only on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.